In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode. Scroll all the way down and click on one of those options to pick a perfect size of your shrink screen. Now to activate one-handed mode, use gray switcher next to it. And to use it, follow all of those instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull screen closer to one side. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, just click on this dark area. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!